What's up, guys, and welcome here one more time to BitBrothers Crypto, a place where you learn and discover new opportunities every single day. I'm Crypto B, and I'm together here with my brother, Papa BitBrother, and we bring to you guys crypto news, everything about the crypto market and what's going on, even though I know we are in a bear market. And I think it was yesterday, Papa, I was checking. Some people are saying that they actually bear markets or not the bear market, the actually recession. Some people, they have a speculation to come next year. And if this actually happen, guys, we will see a very long bear market before the bull. So meaning that we probably stay another year sideways, doing small pumps and going down. As we know, Bitcoin's halving is only in 2024. That if we follow the traditional cycle of the Bitcoins, that means the next actually bull market would be in 2024 when the next halving happens, because what do you call it? More Bitcoins get cut.
Less supply.
Cuts it out of the markets, and we have more supply, less supply. Anyway, if it's your first time here, of course, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's go to the show. What's up, guys? Coming back here now, let me share with you something. I have one news for you guys here, and then Papa will get to you guys with the market. There's some news on the post-chain and post-sex for people who have sacrificed for post-chain and post-sex. For the first time since August 25th, the sacrifice balance for all post-chain and post-sex sacrifice were updated just moments ago, and this was yesterday. To check your balance, go to the Sacrifice Checker app on this site here. If you go to the post-chain news token, in fact, I will share that on my, I will retweet this on my Twitter. So if you go to my Twitter, here is the crypto_B, the crypto B, and you will be able to see over here. And you can follow that, you can click on here, and you can go and check for your balance, just to make sure that everything is correct. And if you have any problem, you can click there and see what's going on, all right? For other people as well, some people, we talked about this last week. I think it was last week. Whoever had soul chicken, I had some soul chicken. I told Papa about this as well with Papa. And supposed to launch today. So the launch of the Cathion dashboard has been rescheduled to 1 week from now to the 31st of October to accommodate input from certain partners. A reminder that snapshot was taken on the 13th of October at 1 p.m. UTC. In any wallet that sold chick, since will not be eligible for any swap. So if you have any sold chicken, we talked about this before here on the channel. So if you had enough of that and you did not sell before the 13th of October, you might be able to swap some of your soul chicken token, which is a game, is a play to earn game token, to the Cathion new token, which will be launched on the 31st of October, and you will be able to already to swap or trade on the DEX and so on. So it's good. Probably they'll have a pump. So if you had some token there, maybe it's a good opportunity. If you buy now or sell now, I mean, you're not gonna get nothing. So this is just if you did listen to our show before that happened, and I think I mentioned here that anybody was wanting to get into this project, they could have on their wallet some soul chicken and keep there, or I think was in one of the Solana wallet, was the Phantom wallet, you could have there. All right. I'm Crypto B, and let's go, baby.
Nice one, guys. Nice one. Let's quickly look at the market, guys. today, what I have to say, guys, that is booming on Twitter and everywhere is airdrops. Okay, so because after the Aptos network release, they airdrop like thousands and thousands of dollars to people. I heard some people go about $7,000 on airdrop as well, and the average airdrop was $1,000 for most people. So it's crazy how much you can earn from airdrops. So I will bring you here where you can find the latest airdrops and what to do, guys. Sometimes just to be eligible for an airdrop is you have to use a test net, okay, which is not real money even, and you go to a faucet, you get money from the faucet, they send you money, and you just play around on an exchange, okay, with fake money. It's not even your money, which is like you can do whatever you want, and that's it, just for you to use the test net, because it helps them with bugs and, you know, like transaction speed and all that as well. So the more things you do, sometimes the more eligible you are to a drop. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you this before the end of the show, but first we will see, guys, the major news now. It's we'll see the market in a bit as well. Is the bottom in, guys? So what most people are saying that the bottom is already in, but there's still this doubt in everyone's mind that we have to have a final capitulation, although there's so many metrics saying that this capitulation, everybody waits, it's not gonna come. So if this is not gonna come, your best bet right now is either go into these dropping things and get a drop in, and then you can invest this money that you earn from a drop in, like free of mind, like not worrying, because it's an airdrop and it's not your money, and then you can fully invest right now and start to DCA, or just start slowly DCAing, guys. This is it. It's been 6.5 years since the last time there was a green bar in the BBW squeeze indicator. Back then, Bitcoin exploded over 100% after just a few weeks. But not only that, Bitcoin also started the biggest rally ever, from $380 to $20,000. Exciting times ahead. So according to this metric here, again, it's BBW squeeze. It's the second time sprinting a green bar, and it was printed before in April 2016. And then they'll rally from 380 up to $20,000 here. Okay, it was insane. So second time sprinting that again, because we're reaching here a very low stage. I think it's on the RSI as well. Another person who thinks that as well is Tech Dev. Markets either impulse or correct. Only the degree changed. The data suggests Bitcoin has been 1.5-year correction since April 2021, and it's nearly over. You don't have to agree. That's why it's a market. Okay, so he keeps showing here that we are on the verge of exploding again, guys. And he brings so many metrics here again. 2M super trend flips red, weekly EMA structure plus crosses, 2-week RSI channel bottom, NUPL structure, sub-zero convergence, hodl wave, 200-day ROC. Okay, we're all reaching these points here on the market. Also, Aditya Siddhartha Roy, Bitcoin bottom analysis. At 2015 and 2018 bottom formed pattern of reversal. Sideways MACD histogram turning bullish equals gap between MACD lines equals bullish crossover above head bar. Now forming same pattern according to this Bitcoin bottom. My target DCA zones remain the same. Guys, it can show here on the bottom, you can see it bottoms in this gap, and you can see here the red signs here. It start to be very dark red. As soon as it turn to light red, yeah, we kind of have this kind of reversal trend. Okay, he can show it happen here and then happen here again. There was a gap, reversal of the red, and look where we are right now, guys. We just printed the first. There is a gap between the red, which is like a moving average here. There is a gap in between them, and we have printed the first light red. Okay, every single time this happened in the past where we printed light red, that means we're about to enter a reversal trend. You can see here every single time printed the light red here, printed the light red, we went up. Okay, 2015, 2018 printed a light red, we went up, and now same thing happened again. 2022 possible bottom. Okay, this golden zone here is between 19,000 up into 20,000, something like this. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think? This is, have we bottomed yet? Let us know, okay, in the comments. Let us know what you think. It's very important, guys. The more, like I said to Casca before, the more days pass, I think we have bottomed. This happened in previous bear markets as well. People say, oh, we're gonna go low, we're gonna go low, and it never did. Okay, because there are many metrics showing that, guys. I saw a graphic yesterday saying that the price of Bitcoin now, how's it called? Is the fair value of Bitcoin? It's at $42,000. The fair value of Bitcoin. Okay, guys. So we are half of that. This is insane. This is very bullish. Like I said, for the long run, guys. You can see here so many news like, will a debt spiral lead to Bitcoin adoption? When the United States has a significant amount of debt, high interest rates, and a budget deficit, there can be no hope of ever paying it off. Finding a more optimistic future with Bitcoin. Many news talking about the macroeconomy correlated to the Bitcoin, okay? And pretty much everything it says, it turns out to Bitcoin being the best bet we're gonna have for the future. Is volatility in the Bitcoin price coming soon? Everyone is waiting for the next big breakout or breakdown before allocating again. Compressed historic volatility tell us that is right around the corner. So you see many things saying that, you know, Bitcoin is the best thing ever, and you are the right time in your life, guys. Okay, so let's quickly look at the market right now. Bitcoin holding strong again, guys, at 392. Ethereum above at 1300 again, hovering around this time 1350, 1400s again, just below that. BNB back again at above 270. It was about 260, I think, yesterday. So good opportunities, like I said, guys, of these little dips. It's the opportunity for you to dip, and all the other coins as well. Okay. Last but not least, I said in the beginning what you should look at. Miss the Aptos airdrop. People made 1,500 to 7,000 yesterday. Keep your eyes on these upcoming projects: Layer Zero, ZK Sync, Starknet, Quake Network, and Sui. Guys, all of these projects are doing airdrop soon. And I have just retweeted on our Brothers Crypto, at Brothers Crypto Twitter, okay, of the BitBrothers Crypto Twitter. And Miles come here and explain to you how to get the airdrop. You just click here, 2,000 airdrop on $5 investment, no clickbait here on Layer Zero. And then there's the airdrops on ZK Sync. There's the airdrops on Starknet, Quay Network, and Sui Network. Okay, guys, I've been doing all of these things that you should do to get the airdrop this weekend, and hopefully will play out well. Guys, again, I don't expect to have an airdrop, but I do it because you never know, guys. You can see people sometimes do simple stuff, and you can, guys, $7,000 in Brazilian money, it's pretty much a whole year of minimum wage here in Brazil. $7,000, a 1 year of minimum wage. So it's a 1 year work for a person here in Brazil, okay, which is insane if you get that just by doing little clicks and open wallets. Okay, so let's quick read here, for example, what Layer Zero does. Layer Zero is an omni-chain interoperability protocol that enables the realization of cross-chain applications with a low-level communication primitive. Why it could be a bigger drop? Why it could be a bigger drop? Stargate Finance recently raised a whopping 135 million fund led by Sequoia Capital, FTX Ventures, Andreessen Horowitz, Coinbase Ventures, PayPal Ventures. Why? Look at this, guys. It's crazy. So they have enough fund to make it one of the biggest airdrops ever. Also, this is the first ever Web3 project that is invested by PayPal. How to qualify for these potential airdrops? There are only a few platforms that are currently on Layer Zero. Some of them are free testnet and some will cost some money. But since the goal is to get done under $5, I will share the method first. Okay, and then he explained everything here on how to do that. Stargate Finance I was doing that as well on Stargate Finance. Okay. Liquid Swap Bridge and all of that. Okay. Check it out. It's on our thread there, okay, of Miles Ducher here. You can follow him as well. He has some nice threads as well. And then, go there, do everything that it says there, and you might be able to get some nice profits by the end of the year. It'll be a nice Christmas present for you. Also from the BitBrothers Crypto. Okay. So, guys, this is it for today. Nice one. Thank you so much. Have an amazing week, everybody. And
And
see
we
you.
see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.